Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all gestures on your earbuds Bowers Wilkins Pi5 S2. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time, but give me a second, I need to fix the song, yeah. So, you can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the touch area on your left or right earbud. Touch area is located right here and right here. So this is a microphone. This is a touch areas. So press one time and I just pause the song, press again and I will play a song. If you wanna play next track, you should press two times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2. And we did it. If you wanna play next previous track, you need to press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. We haven't volume control on the gesture, so we can't lower or increase the volume. What we have also, if you press and hold on your left earbud, let me open the application that I will show it to you. You can enable or disable ANC. So press and hold on it. And as you can see, I just enable ANC, and if you press and hold again, you will disable it. Also, if you press and hold at the right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I call Siri, and if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold on it, and as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. And the last one, you can answer the call by pressing one time at the left or right earbud, and you can finish the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.